So let's try to continue with Kitzur. And we are, sorry, on the Siman 24, laws of the Sefer Torah found to have an error. Okay, that's what we're discussing. Okay, and then Sieve to number 2. Okay, Siman 24, Sieve number 2. Okay, and it says, if word was found divided so that it looks like two words, or if two words were written close together and they look like one word, a child, as described below in CF number 5. Okay, so the Kitzur explained the child is qualified to make this assessment. Okay, so basically, before we continue, so I remember what Shulchan Aruch says. So Shulchan Aruch says, he uses this beautiful phrase, the child who is not very smart and not very childish, not very dumb, basically, right? So he knows how to read, right? But he does not know, but he is not so advanced that he knows the words, basically. So, but he knows the letters. Right, so we give him and see how he's going to read, as a one word or two words, basically. That's of course we're not telling him what to do. We just ask him for a help. This little guy, right? So we always take this child. So meaning not too smart, not too dumb, but he knows the letters. Or if an extra word is found, so basically we pass him based on not on a big rabbi, right? But based on opinion of this little guy. So he's our rabbi in this case, right? So how does it look to him? Two words or one word? Okay. If an extra word is found, regardless of whether it is an extraneous word, which has no place here at all, or whether a word was mistakenly written twice. The cases Hasofer, second edition. Okay. Or similarly, so I apologize. This parenthesis. Well, so basically, he's saying if two words are one word, or there is a extraneous word, should not be there. Or one word was written twice. Or similarly, if a deviation is discovered in the arranging of the passage of the Sefer Torah, such in the open space in the place of the closed space, right? So we said last time what is the difference. So one is the closed space when there is a sentence ends, right? And there are spaces, so many spaces, and then in the same line, the next sentence starts, right? And open is opposite when it's like they have spaces until the end of the line, and the next line starts with the next sentence, basically. Okay, so basically, this closed space and open space are like in the wrong places, right? Not the way it's supposed to be. Or a break of the passage where it is unwarranted, so meaning in the middle of the sentence they decided to break. There is the break where should not be a break at all. There should not even space, but they did a break. Right? Or if there is a place where the passage should be interrupted and it is not, so basically, so sentence ended, and they continue with the next word, and there were no spaces. Commentary. There is no break where should be spacing for either the open or closed passage. So basically, as we said, after passage ends, it should be closed or open. Meaning close, as we said, sentence like ends, spaces, so like some amount of spaces, and then start next sentence. Or it starts from the next line. But here, it just one sentence runs after the other. right? All these absolute invalidations. And we are required to take another Sefer Torah. So all of these things that we just mentioned, except the first case where we say it's one word or two words. So that there will be shown to the child, but the rest of this extra word or there is no wrong spaces, spaces in the wrong places, right? So you need another Sefer Torah.